welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, then welcome. Today we're going to be doing this Valentine's Day glam. I love Valentine's Day. It's one of my favorite holidays, so y'all know I had to come with a video. If you would love to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. To start, I'm just going to be priming my eyes with my Juvias concealer, and you just want to take any concealer lighter than your shade. Then I'm going up with the Juvias palette, and I'm taking those two brown shades in my crease area, so I'm going to be lightly buffing this back and forth. These are Morphe brushes, but they have no names, but it's just a big fluffer brush. Then I'm just going to take that lighter brown in the crease to blend those two together. Then I'm just going to be, since I am taking a lighter shade or shadow, I'm going to be putting concealer back onto the eyes. Then I'm going in with the Morphe Nude Ambition palette, and I'm taking these two light colors. This is one of my fave signature looks, but this shadow performed really well. It's not blotchy, but you want to keep going until you get that perfect color you're going for. And you can skip this pink step, but it is Valentine's Day, granted, so I wanted to incorporate that. So then I'm going to take a bluffing brush and going back in the crease in the outer areas just to, you know, further diffuse those shades. Then I'm taking my LA Girls eyeliner. And this step could be really messy because we are going to go in and blend everything. So don't worry about being perfect here. Then I'm going to take my angled brush and just blend all those colors in. Well, not colors, the black in. And then I'm taking a dark brown shadow and further blending that together. So it could be diffused and like smoky. And I should have took like a small blender, but yeah, it's okay. So if you got a small blender, you can do that, or you can take the angle. Now, once you got it to your liking, you're gonna go in the waterline and the bottom. Then I'm just taking a wipe to make that, look at that wing, make that wing sharp, honey. Okay, but you don't not have to keep it that long. You can shorten it. And then I just go back in with that shadow. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. primer for the face. This is one of my fave primers. Then I'm taking my Lancome foundation. I haven't used this in a while, but I just wanted to use it today. I don't know why. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Matte and Poreless because I wanted a little bit more color than that Lancome was giving. And then I'm taking my Sephora 47 brush. Love that brush. Taking my Juvias contour stick and just contouring that face, giving some bronzy color back in. And I'm taking a shadow brush to go down the sides of my nose. And we're just going to take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is in Butterscotch. I've been loving this concealer. It really does cover. So I'm going to go in first to conceal and let that sit for a little bit. And then I'm going to go down the bridge of my nose, a little bit like on the sides of the nose as well, to get that snatched look. Taking my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This step is a must, okay? A must. So yeah, fan it in between, and I'm going to take my Real Techniques Instant Pot Cheek Brush to blend that contour out. And then to blend out the concealer, we're going to take the setting brush from Real Techniques. Yeah, I love these brushes down too. I'm just going to go on the edges of the concealer and then work my way up. You don't want to go so hard, like, you know, just blend that out a little bit, because then I am going to further take my powder puff to blend everything out as well. So also taking that foundation brush again, because here could get a little bit, you know, you want everything blended out seamless. So don't forget that step. That step is crucial. So now I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and Warm Sand, I believe. I believe. And then my e.l.f. Blush. Love this blush down. Okay, like look how pretty. And I'm taking a Morphe brush as well to blend that in. Then I'm going in with my puffer brush and just blending this out. I've noticed with the puffer brush, it does give me a really seamless under eye. And you don't want to press it hard. You want to lightly push that in. Next, I'm taking my Miss Huda Beauty I Love Her down. Taking that, tapping it on my hand, and then lightly pushing this under my eyes. I would also take my Maybelline, but for this video, I didn't do that step. You go on the sides of the nose too because it furthers that snatched look. And then everywhere you put your lighter concealers, so down the nose, the forehead. I also like to take it in my brows because it just gives that nice like flawless brow finish. Then I'm taking Coco Naughty by Fenty and just further bronzing up the face everywhere I put that dark contour. Now I'm taking this Juvias blush duo. Love this blush as well. Love this pink. It goes perfect. And I also put it on my nose. Never done that step yet, but yeah, that was pretty. Then I'm just going to be taking a clean setting brush and dusting all of my Huda Beauty powder away. And then you do want to just go into the brows because sometimes it gets lost in the sauce, okay? Go in the brows and fix that up. And then I'm also going to be taking my Coco Naughty down the sides of my nose to give me that snatched look. Don't forget to spray if you want it to stay, okay? Yes, we are looking so good. Loving this look. Let me know if you try this look. Sexy date night look. So, yes. Now I'm taking my micro smooth powder and just blending that all in. This step is also crucial if you want that makeup to stay. Taking my mascara. I did put on lashes. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I forgot to say that. I did put on some lashes. Now I'm taking my NYX pen and I'm just filling in my beauty marks, guys. I do have beauty marks growing in, so I'm trying to embrace that. So now I'm taking my Fenty Beauty lip liner and I wouldn't, I think, yes. And we are just going to be lining the lips with this. And then I'm taking my Sephora pink pout. Love this. Love this combo. Like, I've been going for this combo a lot. But this is so cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to blend out the edges of that liner. And you might also have to go back in after you put on the lip color. You can also take NYX Fortune Cookie as well. I think I would have put that on here too. It's just a lighter pink and it would have elevated it a little bit more. But yeah, it's up to you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Until next time, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, my loves.
In the clouds, I can't come down.